Hello, si Harry Potter 2, naki-online lang ako. Padala mo ko Gcash.
So what's up na naman guys sa another gameplay at ngayon maglalaro naman tayo ng isang another Peekaboo series. At yes, alam ko sinabi ko sa last video ko na ang lalaruin natin is yung Peekaboo Stop. Pero masyadong mahaba yung gameplay nun at may hirapan tayong mag-record. And so dahil nga doon, humanap ako ng alternative na laro which is kasama rin siya sa Peekaboo series which is ang Peekaboo Smile. So ito ang lalaruin natin ngayon and let's head into the gameplay and let's see kung anong maipapakita sa atin ng laro na ito. Let's go! Guys, andito na tayo at tatarayin na natin ngayon ang Peekaboo Smile and titignan natin kung anong meron sa larong ito. So let's go, let's start the new game. February 2020. Paano to bawal gumalaw? Ha? Ba yan? Dad? Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Ikaw ba yan? Uy. Bakit tayo nasa higaan? Like, may sakit ba tayo or something? Daddy? What's going on outside? Gusto ko rin makita. Wag! Mong hahawakan yung kurtina. Sorry, Dad. It's okay, honey. Sorry at sinigawan kita. Dad, hindi ako makatulog. Oo, honey, alam ko. How about maglaro tayo ng laro? Ano daw? How about maglaro tayo? Maglaro tayo ng voice guessing game. Okay, Dad. Maglaro tayo. Alright. Hulaan mo kung anong tunog to. Cat. Yes, it is. Talino mo. Hooray! Let's continue. Guess what sound is this? Okay, so maghuhula-hulaan na. What the hell? Mommy? What if mommy ilagay natin? Char. Hindi ba yung duck? Duck siguro yun, no? Correct. Oh, tama. Napakatalino mo, honey. Yippee! Si nanay sana pipiliin ko eh. Char. Mami sana pipiliin ko eh. Okay, let's continue. Okay, Dad. Grabe ka, kaboses niya, ha? Mosquito. Dog. You're right, my beautiful angel. Nakakatakot naman to. You're smart, girl. Ha! Ganun ba dapat? You're so funny, Daddy. Okay, sige. Maghula tayo ulit. Okay. Ano yun? Ano pang nangyayari talaga doon, Daddy? Wala, honey. Tuloy na natin yung laro. Anong tunog to? Ano yun? Hala. Fighter aircraft? So wala tayong ibang choice? Grabe ah. More dad, more. Okay, what's this sound? Parang hindi na to advisable sa bata. Bakit? Mali ba? Honey, listen to me. If you listen to the sound of fighter aircrafts and bombs, hindi ka matatakot, okay? Kapag narinig mo yun, ang gagawin mo lang ay tumawa. Tumawa ka ng ganito. Kakatakot man yung tawa mo. Good girl. So, ano nang gagawin? Should I interrupt? Yeah. So, siguro yung kwento nito may nagigera sa labas no? Tapos ayaw lang siyang anahin ng tatay niya. Honey, takot ka ba? No, Dad. Hindi ako natatakot. Kasi andyan ka eh. Yes, honey. Lagi kitang poprotektahan. I love you very much. I love you too, Daddy. Honey, let's pray together. Let's pray that God will protect you, Mom, and Dad. Okay, Daddy. That's so sweet. Dad, listen. The fighter aircraft is coming again. Mas marami na sila ngayon. Grabe ah. Ito yung literal na tawanan mong problema. Oh my God, namatay ba tayo? Oh my God, it is based sa true life event. My God, nakakaiyak naman to. Oh my God, so hindi pala siya horror game. True to life game pala siya, guys. They didn't want this to happen. They just want to live in peace and quiet in their home. Peekaboo smile. Stop war and make peace. Oh, that's so heartfelt message. So yeah. So ayun pala talaga yung kwento ng Peekaboo Smile. So iyon. So, eto. Na-appreciate ko yung laro na to so much kasi lalo na ngayon, marami na tayo nababalitaan na nagigera like yung dun nga sa mga Israel and so on and so on sa Northern America. And yes, this is a really great way to, spread awareness about sa war and kung gaano ito pinalubha yung kabuhayan ng mga tao. And this is a really really good game, and you can even see dito sa menu yung mga pictures ng mga nasalanta ng dahil sa mga gera. And yes, so dyan nagtatapos ang ating video for the Peekaboo Smile. And yes, it's not what I've expected kasi first time ko lang din nilaro to and akala ko iba yung kwento niya, like horror game siya. Kasi Peekaboo series, 'di ba? It's so unexpected and yeah, super unpredictable and yes, isa ito sa one of their best game. So yeah, so yun, hope you enjoy my gameplay and yeah, maghahanap ako ng ibang games and I'll try all those recommended games na nire-recommend sa akin ng marami and let's hit it kung anong magagawa natin. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video and yes, it is super short kasi kahit ako hindi ko rin ina-expect na ganun yan. So yeah, bye. Thank you so much and please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're always updated to my latest updates. And yun lang. Bye!